Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss about CHSL 2018 declaration of the result of typing test or data entry speed test for shortlisting of candidates to appear for document verification, and you can see and the percentage of errors allowed in the data entry speed test. You can see here the cutoff percentage, you can see the cutoff on percentage of errors or mistakes in data entry speed test, you can see, and for department, and you can see cutoff on percentage of errors or mistakes in data entry speed test for department other than C and AZ. You can see for economically weaker session the cutoff is 7% is allowed, and for SC 7%, ST 7%, for all the categories 7% is allowed. Okay, this is the percentage of errors allowed, and cutoff on percentage of errors or mistakes in the data entry speed test for C and AZ post. Okay, for that what is needed, and cutoff is 7%. This one also 7%. For unreserved candidates 5% is. For general category 5%. This one also for general category 5% is only allowed errors, and for remaining category 7% of errors is allowed. Okay, and in case of cutoff on percentage of errors or mistakes in typing test, in case of typing test for economically weaker session the percentage of errors allowed is 10%, SC also 10%. For all the categories it is 10% only. Okay, except for general category. For general category only 7% is error only allowed. Only 7% of errors only allowed. Okay, including 76 candidates who availed exemption from the typing test. And all the qualified candidates are required. You can see here all the qualified candidates are required to appear in the document verification. The schedule for conduct of document verification will be available on respective websites on regional offices of the commission shortly. Okay, shortlisted candidates may visit the websites of respective regional offices of the commission regularly. You can see here the regional website, you can check here, ssc.nic.in is the official website. In that website there is a column called the commission will be there. In that you have to go to regional network. Okay, in the regional network you will find the all the websites regarding your regions. Okay, you have to go to this regional network section. Okay, there you will find the list of websites regarding your regional areas. Okay, for northern region at New Delhi, and for central region at Prayagraj, and eastern region Kolkata, and I will tell you, just listen, and for eastern region Kolkata, and for western region Mumbai. Okay, so what are the states that will come under region, I will tell you, just listen carefully. And before that let me explain. So before going to the regional website, just have a look at that once. Look at this. And details of errors, details of error percentage of candidates in skill test will be uploaded on commission on 15th June. On June 15th they will upload the details of error percentage of candidates in skill test will be uploaded on commission on June 15th. The candidates may log in by using the registration ID and the password. This facility will be available from June 15 to June 30. So between these dates only you can check your result. Okay, from the official websites. Regarding regional website, just have a look at that once. See here, Staff Selection Commission official website is ssc.nic.in. In the official website, in the home page you will find this, the commission. In the commission you have to go to the regional network. In the regional network, if you click on, you will get the all the regional websites you will get there. Okay, all the regional websites you will get in regional network section. Okay, there you will find the your region and the states, regarding your state which region you will comes under, and regarding that website also given there, and that link also I will give in the description. You can go through it, and so that you will get all the websites regarding your regions. So this is a recent update regarding CHSL 2018 data entry speed test and data entry test. And thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you.